Hello everyone. My name is Arya Raditya Pradana. This is part of the project or so-called assignment for algorithm programming. On this assignment itself, me and my friend, my pal Dennis, actually work on this. So on how it works, actually, first we're going to explain. So we have this text file which contain our own data, which is name, address, and hobbies. Which consists of that, and we will try to convert this notepad text file import it to VS Code, and then how with using open, which is a text function where we can open files and stuff. Put on your text file, mark it as the read, so Python itself will read all of the the text file, like from line 1 to line 7, and after that we make a function for importing text file from line per line into a list. Here, a list. So on how it works, this line.strip split. Strip and split is very understandable. Strip is basically deleting all the white space between the line that we have, since it's per line. So since it's stripped, so we only detect per line, which is area. For example, this first line will detect this first line, and a comma will indicate like the spacing, since we will use spacebar quite a lot, and the name itself, like we're gonna use spacebar, so we're gonna use comma as a spacing indicator. And after that, we will append the list itself, the line itself, into a list, which is this. This is an empty list. We put the name as a variable, which is a part of the 0, a list variable, a name variable, which is on the first, which is basically second part, element and hobby. And after that, we want to, this is basic optional. I just want to make a display first on who is available on this, and if we want to find specifically, we will just print that specific name or whatever. Moving on, there will be the search function. This search function, I make it lower so that I can actually find the name itself in here. Actually, it doesn't really matter, since the previous code, it's very case sensitive. This one I can type anything, at least since it's a list, so it's not that strict. And this is just for display. And this one, IDX range length fixed. So basically for IDX is a variable in basically range and length fixed. So it's basically detecting everything from fixed, which is the list. And then we put search in this variable in fixed IDX names.strip.lower. This will actually search the name from the file itself. So if or the list and data exists there, but explaining for a while is very easy. So what it's trying to find is basically the name section, which is the part of the 0 section of the data. We will why we need to strip down, because if we strip it down, if the name has spacing in it, it will actually detect everything that it will actually print the name that has the full name, and make it lower, since why not? So it will actually be the same as this one, since we put it on lower, so it's case sensitive. We can put it whatever, like we can put it on capital A, capital B, capital whatever, anything that capital on random places, but it will force them to be lower, so it fits with the list itself. And this is how we print the result. We print the name, since the name itself is the same has which basically fits on this section on this function. Wait, the name and the name and the alamat. Let's run the code. Well, here it's easier. There you go. The display will actually shown here. Sorry for this is not a line because I'm too lazy to actually, I don't know, whatever. And then if we put our name, for example, AR, it will show the name that contain AR in it, Arya and Ariel, for example. But what if I want the name for the full name? Then my name will appear. If I put, for example, an N, only a name that has N will appear. How about if I want to put a full name in here, for example, and I want to search like, how is it called? Like the full name for myself. Will actually bother? Let's see. If I put Arya, then my full name here. What if we search my full name instead with spacing? Yeah. Well, let's solve it. Well, Arya. Yeah. There you go. Then my name will appear. This usually won't work if the split in here is actually marked as space itself. Since if it's space, then it will actually ruin the. It will make the code. It will make Python itself confused whether, oh, since we have space in here, then this actually indicate like spacing. So basically, this itself is a spacing. Since I use a comma as a spacing indicator, I have to put this as a spacing indicator. So a name that has spaces, like for this example, won't be confused as a marker. Let's just change it down to. I don't want to. There you go. There you have it. And that's how the codes work. Thank you so much. And hope this really helps, I guess. Thank you.